Okay, is Farida here? She was on the Google Meet call. Don't know if she's here.
Yes, I am. Thank you for asking.
Okay, thank God. I think you were the only one that I was looking for. The rest are here. Okay, awesome. Let me share my screen again, then continue from where I stopped. Um, okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so I was talking about low fidelity wireframes. So I'll just be explaining this. I'll not be, or I'll just give like an example, but we'll move straight to high fidelity because of our time. But for the designs that I showed you, we'll work on the low fidelity. We'll not work on the wireframes. So we'll just convert the low fidelity because designing first in low fidelity is actually much more easier than just jumping to the high fidelity. I hope you understand. So low fidelity is, or it contains sketch, box, or anything you can use to represent design elements and text. Remember, wireframes don't have text. Low fidelity is much more neater, or is there something like neater? Much more neat and clean. So moving on, go to high fidelity. Now I showed you an example of high fidelity. So this is three high fidelity designs that we have. So this is what we'll be working with to be replicating these three designs here. And I think that will be a good and wonderful ride for us. I think Agbaje already spoke out or voiced out about probably how complex the design is. But then when designing, pick up the designs one step at a time. That's the main thing. So start from one section of the design, then move to the other sections. I think that will work, or that works better for me. Any method can work for you, but then start with one part of the design. Don't just design randomly. Pick one section, no, focus on one section. When you are done with that section, or when you feel you are done with that section, move to the next section. So we're starting first with the low fidelity. Then, as usual, we'll pick our frames. I'm using iPhone 13 Pro Max. That's the screen we are designing for. Pick it up, move it under. So let's have the both of them directly underneath each other, or let's have them side by side. So let me move this one here so that we can have like a reference. So first things first, or first thing first, you know that you have a text here, you have your logo, you have your picture here, then we have your button. So for this logo, you don't need to design the logo from the beginning, so you can just represent the logo. Then also remember, we have our grid. Let's set up our grid of columns. Let's say 4 points grid system. And this our gutter is 24. Let's make a margin 16. We're trying to replicate the design on the right. So all the what's it called? The grid that we are setting up should match the design on the left hand side. So that's why I gave this margin here as 16. In the gutter, you can use any value you want, but we are taking note of the left hand side and the right hand side. That's the edges. That's one. Then we can also have another layout, that's the grid. We have our rows. Let's count as 100 or 1,000. Change this to top. Total, let's say 0. And we have our height as 8. So we are using 8-point grid system. That's what we are using now, using 8-point grid system. So let's go. You can also save this. Let's name it as I5 design. So you can use it again for the remaining 3. I hope I'm audible enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're audible.
Sorry, please can you show me like your row settings again? Sorry.
Okay. For the rows, we have a count of 1,000. We have changed the type to top. It was normally on stretch. Changed it to top. Then we have height of 8, gutter 0, offset 0. So each line, distance between each line, let me zoom in. So the distance between these 2 lines is 8 pixels. Distance between this and this, 8 pixels. Distance between this and this, 8 pixels. So we are using 8-point grid system for our design. I hope you got that.
Yes, I did. I yes, I did. But what the grid I did here is different from yours.
The grid that what?
The grid on my screen is different from yours.
Um, is it possible for you to show me? Or you
Mm,
can, yes. General, is it possible for them to share their screen?
no, I'm watching. I'm the Zoom is on my phone. I'm
Do you
designing on my
do
laptop.
do you want them to share their screen?
Yes. I wanted this class to be an interactive class since it's not a large
Okay.
class.
Okay, so I'll make you a host. You will give the person access. See it.
Okay, wait, sorry, who's talking first?
This general talking.
No, like the lady that spoke.
Okay, that's fine. Do you guys so okay.
Faida, but what I'm saying is that I'm designing on my laptop, but the class I'm listening to the class on my phone,
Oh,
so I
okay,
can't.
okay. Just snap your grid and send it to the group chat.
Okay, but I think I've gotten it. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so and Caleb, I've made you a host. So if you want to make someone share this as screen, you can do that. So I'll just walk in.
All right, no problem. Thank you very much. So I think we are all on the same page. Are we on the same page? All
Yeah.
right. So remember, low fidelity, we have box and text. So what we'll be doing now is box and text. So we have this caterpillar here. This is the logo. So represent it with, okay, represent it with a box. Let's take this. You can see it is snapping to the different grid layers that we've made available. So let's just make this here. Sorry. Let's enter align it. Let's give it a feel. We didn't set up our style guide, so I'll just be using colors. Sorry. Just be using colors from the picker here. Should have set up that earlier. Sorry about that. So that's for the logo. Then the text, welcome to NFT marketplace. So let's go. Welcome to NFT marketplace. Now let's increase the font size. Let's take this to 16 and increase from there. Oh, this is too much. I don't know the font type here, but let's use SF Pro. Or okay, let's make this bold. Then this image here, we'll just use a box, a rectangle. Let's give it a fill. Yeah. Then our button is give our button this. Oh, a better way to make your button auto layout. Change this to 24. That's still too big. Change it much later. Not looking so bad. Let's give it a feel. Border radius. Oh, sorry, we're not meant to use colors. Forgot. So let's stick to our gray. Forgot that we're still on lo-fi. I hope we are together.
Yes.
Okay. So if you get confused at any point, just call my attention to it. Okay. All right. I think this is looking alike. So what do you guys think? Are we on track? Do you think we're on track with what we have done?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. As regards the structure, I think we are on the right path. So it's just the fonts that might differ, but the rest will be the same thing. So the next one is this, and this is quite bulky. So just take it step by step. Same frame, iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's import our grid. Then we have our logo here. Our logo at the top here. Let's put our logo over here. Let's give it a feel. Then this notification icon also here. Let's give it a feel. That's for the notification. Or let's give you the same structure. We have this, then this. Good. So we are good to go on that. Then the next one is our text. Discover, collect, and sell your digital art. So remove our text. Discover, comma, collect, and sell your digital. From here, you can see that it is center aligned. Increase the font size of this. Make it bold. Okay. See if we make this one bold also. Yeah, 1 point. Nope, not so much. 28, let's say 32. What's the size of this? 36. Okay. That was by the way. Now next one is start your search button. So bring that here too. Or can use auto layout. This is our body text. You can see how hard it is when you don't have a style guide. You can see that I'm manually doing everything here. So for all your projects, make sure you have a ready-made style guide that you can easily import from. By now, I think you should already know all these things that I'm doing. Let's give it a stroke. Okay, this is a little bit too much. Give it a border radius. Let's see, 8, 16. Good, perfect. Good. Let's center line. It's already coming out little by little, little by little. Then featured NFT and view all. So our text again, featured NFTs. It's here. It's here. Then view all. All right. So everything is already forming now. We have our view all, we have our featured NFT. Now, next one is this card over here. So take our frame tool, draw the main card. Let's give it a fill. What again can we do? Let's increase it a little, stick it up a little. Yeah, and bring it down here. Let's take this up a little. And this also. Perfect. And you can see that it has a border radius. So let's try to implement that border radius. Perfect. Then the inner one with the, let's give this one a different field. I hope we are together.
Yeah, we're with you.
All right. So we have by last month, I don't know how to pronounce that, but then get the point. Okay, by last, then let's below it. So me hash 139. Then also same thing on the other side. So let's give this an auto layout and replicate here. Okay. Then I think this one is already coming up together. Good. So we have this same thing here, same thing here. You can see it's already forming, it's already coming out. So we have these two buttons here, place bid and this heart black icon. So text, place bid. Auto layout. Let's give it a field. text inside is small. Border radius, let's say 8. Okay, 8 is fine. After place bit, we have a height heart icon. I'll just use capital H there. Use this. Okay. You're trying to work around the spacing. Okay, I think this is good. Let's group this together. It's center aligned. Now to the next one, top sellers view all our text here. Top sellers. Let's increase the font size. Or better still, let's pick it up from here since they are identical. So just change this to top sellers. Then the viewer remains the same. Let's put them in auto layout. Same as this. Then last part, this this frame here, this card. Draw our main one. Border radius, let's say 16. Let's give it a fill, a light one. Okay, this border radius is way too much. So then we have this image here. So let's do that in here. Then the next one, silence color. Put it up here. Can reduce this to, okay, let's leave it at 20. then 125 ETH. Replicate this. 125. Let's try something ETH. Let's put this at 16. Just put this at, let's say, 14. Okay, it's not working that way, so we have to separate them. Are we together?
Yeah, we got that there.
All right. If you don't get anything, please just stop. Just tell me to hold on, and I'll hold on for you. Sorry, guys, give me a minute. Okay, can you guys hear me now?
Yes, loud and clear.
All right, so the next one is this. That's this 125 ETH. Okay, layout this. Okay, let's group it instead. Okay. And next one, follow. Let's borrow this view all. Okay. All right. I think with that, let's give this a border radius of 8. So are we on track, guys? Look at all this. Then look at the one on your left hand side. Are we on track?
I think we are missing one part out. On that card, what of the one that is into the frame or something? Second one.
This one.
Yeah, we don't really need to do that too.
Okay. Okay, let's move this. Sorry. Okay, I think there is a mistake somewhere. Let's undo everything that we have done. So probably what we can do here is since we have grouped everything here, we've grouped the frame. Okay, I can just replicate this. Something is not moving. Okay. Mm. Okay. I think this should work now. Okay, worked. So let's just move this one inside the loop. So then bring this one over here. Yeah, worked. So let's move this one to the side a little. So then move this one in a little. So are we good to go now?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry, what's the time? Oh, this is already 7. How many minutes have I used, general?
I wasn't watching the time. I'm just following up.
Okay.
Where are we working with the time? Okay, let's end up by 7:30. Is that fine by everybody?
7:30. Okay. Because I don't want us to spend too much time.
Yeah, guys. 7:30, 7:30. Okay, bye, guys.
Yeah, sure.
Kende, Amodu, Olaniyi, and Tomilola. Are you guys cool with that? Guys, let's quick talk, please, so we continue. Like nobody's talking. Kide, sorry, let's go, please.
Yeah?
Nobody's talking, so let's continue. Are you sure these guys are there, Chef? And Kenny, what's up? Kende, Amodu, are you in class? Kende,
I am. Yes, I am.
Olaniyi, Kende,
I'm here.
Tomilola.
I'm here.
Okay, so 6:30, 7:30 rather, is that cool, Bars?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. So moving on for this, we already have these parts here. So just speak from here. Then paste it here. Then this one and hope. Can easily just replicate that and use a frame. Then home. So after the home, you can just auto layout this. Then after adding it to the auto layouts, make sure your alignments are correct. Make sure your alignments are correct. So everything is aligned to the 8-point grid system that we made much earlier. That's the aim of the grid. Let's change this from bold to regular. Then for this other card parts, you can just replicate that using a box tool. Just do this. To give it a feel, it's too dark. Then the border radius 8. 24 is okay. Then for this part, Yeah. Then for this part here, we can pick up the frame from this uh, down parts. So we can have something like this. Then this border radius, you can give it individual border radius. Well, okay, let me give it a few so that we can see what I'm changing. You can make this 16, 24, 32, the 40 is fine. That's for this part over here. And for this rectangle, just replicate that also. Rectangle here. You can also import our grid here, so that's fine. Then our text by lost one. Zoom in, hash 31, 39. Then next one on sale. On sale for 10 ETH. Auto layout. Let's reduce the spacing. I think this is fine. Okay. Are we following? Then you can reduce the spacing for this. This is already too much from the original one. Okay. Reduce this to regular. The next one is description and this lorem ipsum text here. So you can just pick this, use it as the description. Then next one is lorem ipsum. You have the description. And lorem ipsum, I'll just copy it from here and paste it. Ooh. The next one and the final one is make offer and place bid. I think we've done something like that before. So I'll just, okay, let me just design it again. Auto layout. Make sure you use auto layout for all your buttons. Even me, sometimes I forget that. It makes work easier for you. auto layout. Let's give it a feel. Then let's tweak. Okay. Let's give this border radius of 8. So nice. Then place bid. Yeah, and I think we are done for the low fidelity. So we can check this and look at the other one. Are we on track? Okay, meaning this part here. Let's make it equal. Good. Okay, border radius of 8. See, good. So I think with that, we are done with the low fidelity. Are we together? Guys, are we together? Agbaje, Kehinde, Tomilola.
Yes.
Okay. So now we are converting to high fidelity. So just pick this, replace it, then do that. Then do this. You can see how easy it is. Then do this. Let's pick up this image. So I think that's already looking nice. Let's bring it down a little. So that's page number 1 done. Okay, the text here. So that's page number 1 done. You can see how fast we were. So we can also pick this. These icons are available on different icon packs, so you can easily get that. So we're just picking the colors. And this icon. And this is green. Oh, sorry about that. Good. Is anyone saying anything? So, good. So this image here, ooh, okay, let's take it one by one. This here, this here. I hope we are together. I hope I'm not too fast because of our time. That's why I'm trying to brush up. Since we already have the structure, converting to high fidelity is not so hard. And this picture here, let's move this one out. Everything. Okay. Yeah, moving on. Next one, this. Then all these ones here. Just pick the colors. Yeah. Then this one up here. Use the color picker also. Good. That's number 2. Then the last one, the icon. Then this one here is the color picker. And this one here. This one here. Then this one here. Yeah, the deforming this. Good. We have a description. This is the color picker. Pick the color here. And this one, time is fast spent. Also, shortcuts for using color picker is I. That's what I'm using in case you are confused. Just click just press I on your keyboard and the color picker will come out. That's for the color picker. Then try that one again. Home. Oh, sorry. Good. And this one here. Let's group them. Copy. Let's delete this because we already designed it before, so you don't need to design it again. We've done that. So this is the essence of style guide. So you don't have to start redesigning. And ladies and gentlemen, we are done. Okay. Let's give a little bit of space here. Then this one here. How can we do it? Sorry, give me a minute. I'm trying to replicate this shadow at the back here. Sorry. Okay. So, what do you think, guys? That'll be all. I think with that, we've covered enough. What do you think?
Yeah, it's fantastic.
Yeah, so from the beginning, even though the design might not be pixel perfect, but then we tried our possible best. So from this class, I hope you will be able to get rather low fidelity design and high fidelity design. Yes or no?
Yes, of course.
All right. So our task is to replicate this design also. This one, and this one. I'll make the designs available for us to use. Is that good?
Yeah, sure. We'd love to see how, you
Okay. So I think with that, we are done for this class.
wow. Yeah, that's fantastic. Yeah, thank you very much, boss.
No problem. No problem. General, do you have any question?
Uh, yeah.
Any question?
Do anybody want to talk?
Any question, any observation, anything you want to say, anything at all? Or you want me to explain anything?
I
Okay.
think I'm actually good.
Okay. Any other person?
I think there's no question. Should we? Yeah. Is there any question since nobody said anything? You want to give them a tax, right?
Yeah, I've given them already. I told them
Okay.
to replicate the 3 designs to give them hands-on experience too.
Okay.
Or,
Okay.
or if you are not comfortable with, no, let's restrict it in 3 designs. wanted to say, or you can find designs of or any design to replicate. But then
No. Restrict it.
let's
Yeah. So to
let's
be
use this.
correct. Okay.
Okay.
I think that's the end at the end, Caleb, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So first of all, I want to say thank you to Caleb. I don't take it for granted, and uh,
No problem,
thank you
boss.
guys for your participation. Thank you to our sponsors, Paul Pretoral, and what else again? So I'll meet you guys next time. I'm actually multitasking here, I swear.
Always
But,
be fine, boss.
we guys make this money very, very quick, and time don't they go age on the tell you. So Kehinde, Amoju Kehinde, Olani Kehinde, Agbaje, Tomilola, God bless you. See you. Bye.
Thank you.